So this is a review of this steam cleaner that was sent to me by the brand. It's a high pressure, multi-purpose steamer that promises to tackle everything in your home, from your kitchen grease to upholstery dirt and even your car interiors. This model, it packs a powerful 2,500 watts of heating, giving you high pressure steam in just a few minutes. And it also comes with a 1.6 liter water tank, which does mean that you can clean longer without constantly refilling it, which is awesome. I also love that it has different heads that comes with it. It just gives you more cleaning options for like your windows or close-up spots. One thing I really like also is the 3-level steam control, so you can adjust the intensity whether you're doing something delicate and close up like upholstery, or tougher jobs like bathroom tiles, or even windows sometimes can be more grimy. And I tested it out in the bathroom and it handled grout lines and faucets really well. I also tried it on my couch cushions and it freshened them up so nicely. I really like it for my outdoor windows. It takes a lot of that outdoor grime off, and the portability of it makes it super convenient for furniture or even taking it outside for car seats and mats.